Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we'll be making vectors. Similar to objects, they are just an object with an assigned value. So previously we made x with the assignment operator equals 10. Run that, gives us it in the environment. We've got a nice little one. I'm going to also give it y equals 14. Do that. And this is just very much a basic one. You can also use the vectors to make equations. So I'm just going to put it here. So we equation, and then we'll be giving it like, I don't know, x plus y. Make sure it's capital. Run it. Down here, we get a nice little one of, there we go. We've got 24. You can, dead space. You can talk about the fact that R in itself is able to hold and use data in such a vast way that it's able to make the equations. Further on and down the line, you're also able to make graphs. You're also able to make like scatter graphs, bar graphs, pretty much anything you can think of with data management can be used. R can be used for it because you do need to download different programs or like I think they're called packages to actually use R, but it helps you plot data because and it's such a large community of people that are able to utilize R that I do believe that it is one of the better programs for handling data, although as unfriendly as it does look. As well as making vectors for a single value, we can also look at the fact that we can do something called concating. Concating sounds terrifying, but it's basically this. I'm going to make a object called C, and we're going to do this. If I ever remember to stop doing the underscore, do that. We've now got this. This is basically concation. So I'm going to call it 13. I'm just going to put in some random numbers. And then just hit enter, and that's it. That is literally it. It's just a value. It is a vector with multiple values. You can also use this with strings. So I'm going to just put H and then just do the exact same thing where it's like, then we're going to have little Timmy, Sammy. Actually, that's incorrect. It should be with quotation marks. Timmy, Sammy. Show you a little shortcut because it's annoying for me to forget about this, and we're going to call him last one Reginald because I'm weird like that. And then we just run it and we've got another value. It's characters. It's just you can fill up vectors with strings and with values. This is actually useful for making graphs. So essentially further on, the entire thing you'll look at and it will graphs will start to be shown with headers, and this explains how headers become a thing. But for the moment, that's not relevant. I will show you, however, how to get retrieve just specific values from a concated object. So say, for instance, I want 41 from C. So I'll do C square bracket 2. I'll run it, and then down here, it just tells me what the value is. I then can also use this to be like, I don't want 41, I want 124. I want to know what the fourth value in that line is, and it'll give me that. You can also then exclude values. I want everything except this one. So I don't want the first one. I'll run it, and it'll give me every other value aside from the first one. I can do it for the third. I can do it for any of them. And it's very much the same for H. I want the first value, Timmy. I don't want the second value. Or give me Timmy and Reginald. It's very simple when you understand it, but obviously trying to understand it is the key. And I hope this has helped in such a way, and I hope to see you in the next video. And take care.